don't know what it is. But okay, I'm back with another video. What? Yeah, I'm back. Back. Dropped 2 videos in one day. What's good? Nah, I'm back. Okay, so I'm gonna do the I really don't know what they call it, but basically I'm gonna do the baking soda, like to see if I'm having a girl boy. So let's get into this video. We back. Okay, so this is the baking soda. I wasn't sure if I was supposed to put like the same amount of my pea, but I put a nice amount in them. Of course, I had to get some baby plastic cups because I was not gonna use my good cups. Sorry, y'all. That's just something I was not gonna do. I was not about to put my urine in one of my cups that I drink out of. Malika. So let's do it. Y'all ready? Y'all sure y'all ready? I don't think I'm ready. Damn, I threw it, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's bubble. Y'all, I don't believe this. So I'm guessing from the results. Okay, is it done? Wow. Okay. I like to do this layout, but I mean, that was just for fun. So they say if it bubble or if it foam up, I guess it's the boy. So from the results that I did, it's basically showing that I'm having a boy. But it was just for fun, so I'm not gonna believe it. I'm just not gonna believe it until my baby come out. And if it's a boy, it's the boy. I'm still gonna be happy. I'm still gonna love my baby the way I was gonna love my baby when it was a girl. If it was a girl, baby, trust me. If you ever watch this video, mama love you and mama gonna do you right. No matter what you is. Period, boo. But y'all know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Comment down below from what you see if you think it's different. And y'all know my sin gonna always be my sin. Tell the friends, tell the friends, tell the friends, tell the friends, tell the cousins to subscribe to my channel. Yeah.